Okay, enough. Hello, sit down, please.
Oh yeah.
Hello, Irene. Hello, Ryan. So, today we're going to learn something about the GCD. Yeah?
Weighted common divisor.
Okay, good. And how about this?
Least common multiple.
Okay, so what's GCD? Can you give me an example, like 25 and 35? What's the greatest common divisor of these?
5.
5. Well done. And what's the least common multiple of these two?
Least common.
It's hard, yeah.
7. 5.
Okay. You can time how to do it. It's easy. So times it, multiply it together, divided by their greatest common divisor, which is 5. So do you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, least common multiple of A and B equals A times B divided by greatest common divisor of A and B. Okay, got it? Yes?
Yeah.
So greatest common divisor is that both numbers appears in a time table. For example, in 5 times table, right? They are both in 5 table, right? Yeah, but it's the biggest one. Okay. So how do we do this? 25 and 35. How do we do the how do we calculate the greatest common divisor? How do we do it? Remember? We need this. We need modulus. Yeah. This modulus. Do you know modulus? Modulus? Yeah. Modulus.
Why?
So.
Wait, I think
You see
this
it
is
now,
my balloon. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do you want to?
I don't know.
Okay. Maybe yeah. Take another look. Look. So yeah. So let's do this. 25 divided by 35 equals what? Equals 0. Remain 25. Yeah. Yeah. And then we move this 35 here. And then we move this 25 here.
Into a balloon.
Okay, then what's this? 35 divided by 25 equals 1, remaining 10, right? 10. Then, okay, so what do we do? Look. 25 here, 10 here. So 25 and 10 equals 2. Divided by 2 remain what? Remain 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then what do we do? 10, 5. So let's equals 2. Divided by 2, 5 equals 2, remains 0. When we get this 0, what does it mean? It means this number is the greatest common divisor. You see it? You see? Okay, so how do we implement this into computer? That's easy, yeah? Look, it's just 3 lines of code. Define greatest common divisor A and B. Yeah? Why B is greater than 0? Well, what should we do now? A, B equals B, A modulus B. And then return A, right? Is it? Am I right?
Return A.
Yes? Return A, yeah? We can do this 25 and 15. Okay, A is 25, B is 15. Okay, B is 35. Okay, B is 35. Now, let's do this table. So let's do this table. B is bigger than 0, right? Okay, so A equals B. And B equals A modulo B, so which is 25. Okay, so now we just swap. If A is smaller than B, the next one will be AB is swapped. Okay? Now next one. B is bigger than 0, right?
Yeah.
A will become B, right? Every time you put a B here, and B will become A modulus B, which is 10, right? And then I copy here 10, and then this will be 5, right? Am I?
And then 5 zeros.
And then this 5 here, and then it will be
0.
0. When it's 0, I return A. You see? You see? A, B, A, comma B equals B, comma A. It means that A will become the value of B, and then B will become the value of A modulus B. Do you get it? Okay. So now how can we do this? How can we do this LCM? Look, define LCM A, B. Okay, that's the magic line. How do we do it? What's this?
Return.
What's
Return.
this? Return what?
I said return.
Yeah, and what's next? Guess?
Where the common divisor.
Okay. No.
Least common.
This common multiple equals what? Oh, remember, 25, 35, what did I teach you before at the beginning? You say it's a big number. 25 times 35 divided by greatest common divisor of there. So what's this?
Return greatest.
So
Return 25 times 35.
A times B, right?
I said 25
Divided
times
by GCD AB, right?
I said that.
Yeah, okay, look. Yeah, AB, right? You see? Yeah? Okay, so, yeah, that's today's code. Can you put it on the computer? Please? I'm going to check, okay? The last thing, don't forget the last thing.
Bye, good baby.